Good morning. Aga-aga pa gising na si Bibi. Nagpupo. Sige na, sleep pa. 5:15 pa lang Bye.
Basta by 8, kailangan ko makauwi doon.
Morning guys. 21 today, Saturday. Sama natin sina Eunice and friends. Jason, Ben, and Dan nasa likod. So, city ride tayo today. May iba naman. Medyo sumasakit din yung likod ko kaya taking it easy lang muna today. Matanda na. Okay, dito na kami sa may BGC. Ikot-ikot lang. Kape sa Makati siguro. Let's see. Quick ride lang din. Bago to, Bikes and Coffee. Laki. Welcome back. Hello, hello.
Hi vlog. Welcome to the mall.
Good to see you again. Tagal natin. Kailan yung last ride? How many
2
months
years ago?
ago?
Joke.
Hindi naman. Mga ilang months
Kailan
ago.
kayo bagong anak mo?
Okay. So mga 3
Yung
months.
namatay ako.
Yung nag-cramps ka.
ako, grabe.
Miss ko tong city ride Super chill. No stress. Wala masyadong sakyan. Hopya, motor. Ingat po. Time check, 7 o'clock. Paikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa may BGC. 24 kilometers na rin tayo. We're here. Habitu Coffee. Good morning. Apply niyo na ba dito?
Siya.
Yes, color please.
What's your need?
Right. Uwi na tayo. Mag-8:30 na.
Bye-bye!
So, pauwi. I think Makati Mandaluyong Bridge na tayo dadaan. Daming huli Nice try, Jason! Thank you, thank you! Next time, Antibolan tayo. Bye-bye, bye-bye! Ingat! 9 o'clock na, naka 49.5 kilometers din tayo today. Chill city ride, coffee ride with Eunice, Jason, Ben, and Dan. Thank you. Lapit na ako makauwi. Nice weather. Medyo mainit-init na. Short video lang tayo today. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next ride. Bye.